Who needs a tripod when you've got a pint glass? I reckon that's probably about centre. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Now I know the sound is a bit bad on this, so I'm going to have to speak up, and it might sound a little bit like, or look like I'm shouting. I've just done one take and it was shit. Right, so ready for you. Me indeed. When will I receive that notification exactly? Okay, fine. So, hello, my name's Tim. Welcome back to the shitty South East London flat. Cue the logo. I don't have a logo. The problem with doing a second take is you kind of think, I'm thinking about the take that I've just done. I'm just trying to cram all the shitty stuff, all the stuff I put in that. Shitty stuff. Alright, calm down, relax. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, 6-year-olds looking for Jesus, there is a problem. A fat man oh dear God. It's just the way life is, isn't it? It's just the way things are. So anyway, Matt's had his channel deleted, alright? By a very large, slappy heady man. For those of you who watch Matt's channel regularly, you know who that is. For those of you who don't know who I'm talking about, it's Brock. He's shit the bed, he's spat his dummy out, he's thrown a hissy fit because Matt's criticised him, so, you know, it's natural, isn't it? It's like throughout the whole world, fat kids growing up at school, if you criticise them, they tend to get all wobbly and angry. And that's what's happened here. So, Matt has fucked up a bit in that he's been winding up this guy. This guy's done something, we don't even know what. And I woke up this morning to this afternoon actually, it was a bit of a lazy day, to hear that the channel has been deleted from Matt. Oh yes, so important bit. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Tim of Tim and Andy, or Tim Andy Aramis, or whatever. I'm the bloke with the VFR, Andy's the racer. He does the Benzie races, you might have seen the interviews for that. And Aramis is the long-haired ponytail cunt that came to the workshop visit with us. And other things as well. And so Matt and I are friends, we're proper friends. We've been friends now for about a growing friendship for the last year or so. I met him through the channel. And that's the reason why I'm posting this video up, is because some of you know me. Not many, some of you know me. Judging by my subscriber count, about 17 people know me, of the 50-odd thousand that Matt's got, but I'm going to fuck about subscriber figures. Matt messaged me this morning with a confusing message stream. Well, Brock shit his pants. I laugh. I don't even know what's happened. The channel's been deleted. Laugh, 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 laugh. Because I thought that Brock had deleted his channel. I get back a sort of sullen lol from Matt. He hasn't found emojis yet, so we'll give him time. So I said, maybe he's pissed off by Dell trumping him, and Dell's had his channel deleted. Lol, that would be funny as fuck. That would be funny as fuck. I can't do his voice. Poor Brock. Poor Brock? Do you think he's hung himself? No! My channel's been deleted.
What the fuck? It's proper spat the dummy out and he's complained to Google or something and they've just fucking deleted my account.
And then there's a few more messages. So if you look at Matt's Facebook page, you'll see that Matt's uploaded a video. Hopefully anyway. Or sorry, I've uploaded Matt a video on behalf of Matt. Still processing apparently. Not that you can see an update on how it's processing. So what I might do actually, just because I don't know if that video is going to upload to there, if I pull it up and then play you guys the video. Yeah, so you thought you'd all seen the last of Matt, but unfortunately there's always a bit more.
Right then. So fucking hell. Well, what did I expect really, you know, some fucking dickhead is going to get all arsey about it at some point. So, the channel has been deleted, well, temporarily is what Google say, but what was weird is that I knew nothing about it. People contacted me and just said, you know, Matt, your channel's gone, blah, 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 blah. And with that, I never got any contact off Google or YouTube. Nothing, absolutely nothing. I had to go and try to log into my account, so my Google account is completely gone. Just means I can't log into Google, full stop. Anyway, so a lot of people are saying, you know, I must be stressing out and stuff like that. It is what it is, you know what I mean? And if you stir the pot enough and poke people with sticks, there's always going to be some cunt who's against the system. And I think what's happened is, and this is only guessing at the time being, is that bloody windy. Bloody hell, fire. Yeah, I think what's happened is that you just say something. It does say that it's the community guidelines. Now I've looked at the YouTube community guidelines for harassment, abuse, stuff like that. There's no copyright strikes or anything like that. It's just fucking just the usual crap, you know what I mean? Just the usual bollocks. And trying the hardest to do whatever they can. And yeah, you know, it is what it is. Obviously, what I do find weird is I never got anything. They didn't send me anything saying, oh, do you want to you know, have your say or counteract this. It's obviously a very unique button of kill channels. It's not a copyright thing. This is a something. So I would have expected, it does say in the YouTube community guidelines that, you know, if something is too much, you know, that will be removed. But completely removing a channel and everything that's on it because of possibly one video kind of thing just seems, well, it is the world we live in with lesbians and all the rest of it. Any road, so I'm going to be trying to sort whatever out I can sort out, and you know, there's only so much I can do because Google and YouTube are their own entities. I can't make them do anything, but we'll see what happens. This is like, it's like PR suicide, is this though? That's the stupid thing. It literally is like PR suicide for this well, for Slaphead. But we'll see how it goes. This isn't the end at all. It's more the other way. The more that they try to do this, the more of a shitstorm I'll kick up. But anyway, that's it for the time being. Thank you for all your messages and shit like that. Have a bit of a laugh. My go-between at the moment is Andy, so Andy from Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions is going to be my go-between. The bollocks and the cock picture that someone else did, that I reposted, got me banned for 3 days on Facebook. Fucking Nora. But whatever, so 3 days I won't be chatting on Facebook, or I can't, and so on. Right then. Oh, that makes sense. I'll see you in a bit.
Right then, so it looks like there are two separate things going on here. I'll get this camera set up properly. Right, so it looks like there's two separate things going on here. So there's the Brock incident. I'm going to name him because I don't mind if my channel gets deleted. Perhaps I shouldn't name him because it might reflect badly on Matt, but I don't think he gives the bollocks, to be honest. Could be wrong, could be asked to take the video down. Anyway, it doesn't matter. And then there's some sort of thing that's been posted up, Del bollocks and some sort of penis. Seems perfectly acceptable to me. But that's got Matt banned for 3 days on Facebook. So, with that, that explains why he's asked me to upload this video. So I'll upload this video as is his video up to his Facebook for him. And depending on how well that video's come out on this one, I might have a bash at fucking editing this one and just chopping his in because it might be easier and better. I know the sound is fucked on this camera. I know the sound is fucked on my other camera because I've just done one take on it. Hopefully this has come out alright. Anyway, I hope all that makes sense, and I definitely will see you again.